And now we've got RMIT's Senior Manager of Sustainability, Lin Stevenson, joining us to discuss why RMIT is investing in sustainability. So firstly, RMIT is currently building a new precinct called the New Academic Street, NAS, and it has been given a 5-star rating from the Green Building Council of Australia. How has RMIT achieved this?
Well, firstly, thanks for having me, John. And NAS, what we call the New Academic Street, was based on a decision to build a sustainable and revolutionary precinct as part of RMIT. One of our greatest achievements was to build the NAS precinct from repurposed, much older existing structures, whereas most 5-star rating buildings are designed and built to be sustainable from ground up. The decision to keep the existing buildings facing Swanston Street rather than to demolish and rebuild was driven by our desire to reuse existing assets and reduce our impact on the environment. Importantly, this approach resulted in innovative construction methods. We are proud to say the 5 architects who designed NAS are all RMIT alumni. They have created something brilliant for both students and the environment. To gain the 5-star rating, we had to provide evidence of sustainable interior fit-out throughout the new precinct and use as many recycled or sustainably sourced materials as possible. And this included a precinct-wide lighting upgrade, water saving and harvesting opportunities, mixed mode ventilation system and an efficient utilisation of natural light.
So as I understand, RMIT has endeavoured to use more than 3,000 plants in and amongst the design. How have these plants been used?
Well, in keeping with Melbourne's easy living environment, part of the NAS plan was to open the campus space up to the city, embracing the parks and gardens feel and moving away from the hidden concrete metropolis position of most universities. A bold decision to go green included the installation of more than 3,000 plants. Most of these plants will go into the new green roof spaces, helping RMIT adapt to climate change and providing great social spaces for students. These include 4 main areas, including 2 sky gardens, Bowen Terrace and the new garden building. The 4-level structure that is an open garden space designed for a year-round use, working with available light levels and microclimates. The horticulture changes as one moves up the different levels of the garden building. An oasis in the heart of the city using cutting-edge sustainable design that will soften the edge of the city.
So now why do you believe these green interiors are such an important part of the NAS project?
The time, money and effort that we invested into this project goes far beyond the aesthetic of a modern green building with interior landscaping. Students spend more than 90% of their time indoors, so a space filled with natural light, sustainable materials and plants will reduce stress and create a feeling of well-being. And the greenery will assist in reducing carbon dioxide levels, increasing humidity and help keep the air temperature down. Our team of architects have created a space that is environmentally friendly, sustainable, beautiful, and where students will feel comfortable, engaged and more productive. And this is what we're very proud of.
Thank you.